Hello everyone, welcome again to Rosette Media YouTube channel. In case you are coming across this channel for the first time, this is Rosette Media Community, and this is a segment in this channel that we do content about beekeeping. And today I want to continue with the process of making thin sheet of wax. These sheets we are going to place in the super frames in the beehive. So the process starts by boiling wax together with lemongrass. The purpose of lemongrass is to make the good scent for the wax, for the melted wax. So we add water and then we let the wax to boil. That's wax. As you can see, that's wax. Around in Kenya, a kg of wax goes for $10. 1 kg of wax in Kenya, Africa goes for $10. So we melt our wax. That's lemongrass. The wax is melting. Yeah, it really have a good scent, good smell. Our wax is melt. So the next process is to use a board to make the wax. So we dip the board into the wax, then we cool with water, then we slice the wax into that rectangular shape. Then we have our sheet of wax. As you can see, it's rectangular. Then later we'll cut them into the precise required frame that we'll put in the super frames. And there we go, and there we go, and there we have our sheet of wax. That's sheet of wax. So we have precise measurement that we use to cut the sheets of wax. So then we place them in the super frames. Then we place them in super frame, as you can see. Yeah, that's what I was saying, the precise measurement. Yeah, enjoy the video. If you like the video, comment. And I want to point out that this type of beehive is called Langstroth beehive. The origin of this beehive was from a priest. The name of the priest was called Langstroth. So we are cutting the big sheet of wax into small pieces. So today we are going to place the super on the beehive. The super is the topmost part of the beehive, and it is where the honey is stored. After the bee manufacture the honey, they stored the honey in the super, and that's when harvesting you only need to take the super. That's the top box part. That's only what's required for harvesting. So the work of those works, it will help bees to start building a straight story of comb. So they will build the comb in an orderly way, in a straight line, following that sheet of wax. Guys, we are at 900 subscribers, so help me reach 1000. So we are at the process of placing the super. Those are the bees. So that one is placed. This is also a complete colony.
Yeah, very strong.
Very strong.
It's a strong colony. Yeah, it has built seven frames. Seven frames.
7 frames.
Starting from here, if you count them, you get 7. It has built 7 frames. Yeah. There's none. So this is full to the capacity.
Yeah, it's
Full.
Yeah. This one is full.
Remove the feeder box.
Yeah,
Feeder fuck imeniuma. Unajua ndani ya nini uniform.
Chapa tu. Itabidi uvumilie.
Hiyo ni cock. Shit. Acha nihepe kidogo bwana.
Chapa tu. Kwa sawa? Can we pull it back?
Light, please.
Niko na maji.
Zimechenga.
Hii bado iko chini.
Iko chini na nini.
Colony still, yeah.
Emaudi chingine guji.
No, please. There's something you have done wrong.
What?
We are going to press
Feeder box. Yeah, feeder.
This is also a complete colony.
Yeah, very strong.
Very strong.
It's a strong colony. Yeah, it has built seven frames. 7 frames.
7 frames.
Starting from here, if you count them, you get 7. build 7 houses. There's none. So this is full to the capacity.
Yeah, it's
Full.
to the capacity.
Yeah. This one's full. So you can
Remove the feeder box.
yeah,
Feeder of
there's none.
Take too light.
kuna moja hapo unaiona?
Hiyo ni ya kukula mbao.
Fuck, imeniuma. Kama juu ya ndani ya nini uniform.
Chapa tu. Itabidi uvumilie.
Hiyo ni cock. Shit. Acha nihepe kidogo bwana.
Chapa tu. Kwa sawa? Kanuri fungi pa.
Hiyo light.
Ungekuwa na ile side.
Decent.
Light, please.
Niko na maji.
Zimechenga.
Hii bado iko chini.
Iko chini na
Kuna unasikia.